Do you want to learn how to make a desktop photo holder?
We're going to show you how we used our sublimation printer and a block of wood to make ours.
Right now.
We were wandering through a little craft fair the other day, and Kim saw this cool little
photo display.
But it was like 60 bucks. I was like, not a chance. I know we can make that.
Yeah.
So I picked up some sublimation blanks, and I have myself a 2x2. We're gonna do some wood burning and some staining. That's it. And some sublimating printing. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this down to about 12 inches and then put a channel in there for the little cards to sit in.
Yeah, the photos will sit in a groove right on top as a display.
Alright, so we're going to cut it down and run a channel through it. Alright, we lowered the blade so it's not going to go all the way through the board. And we're going to give that a little bit of an angle so it tilts those photos back a little bit so you can see them when you walk into the office. Like a 15-degree angle. Alright, we're going to run it through, put an angle on it now. Alright, now we're going to cut it down to size. Alright, cut down to size. We got the channel in it. Now it's time for some wood burning. And I'm going to do that inside. Meet you guys in there. Now it's time to try another first for Kim and Garrett Make It. We're going to try wood burning. So we printed out a font that we like. We have our board that we cut down to size and ran a channel through. Now we're going to try to burn our last name into a piece of wood and not make it look like crap. That's the tough part.
Yep.
Anybody can burn it into wood, not making it look like crap. That's the tough part. Alright, now I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and trace the letters so that I'll score the wood underneath and be able to run the wood burner around it.
Oh, looks good.
All right.
Good job.
Just scored. Alright, so I scored it with the razor blade. I don't know if you can see it.
Probably not.
Now it's time to try to burn it. I scored it because I heard trying to follow a pencil line is a lot harder than resting it in the groove. So we're about to find out. Alright babe, I think we're all done with the wood burning part.
That looks great. To be hand drawn, it looks great.
What do you guys think?
Show the stencil you started with, or the template.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna go give it a quick sand and then we'll stain it. And while it's drying, we'll print our sublimation pictures. Alright, that's what it looks like so far. We're gonna add some hardware. Then we're gonna do the sublimation stuff. Then we'll do the pictures. We painted some L brackets. L brackets gonna fit on this one.
That looks nice.
All right, there's our picture holder. Let's go make some pictures to put in it. We'll see you guys over there by the heat press. All right, we got our pictures printed. We got our blanks all ready, and we got some high heat tape. We're just gonna tape the blanks face down onto our transfer paper. This is our transfer paper, our sublimation paper. We just got it off Amazon. So I'm going to use the blanks to kind of crop the picture. Cover it with another sheet of Teflon. Teflon. All right, we're just going in for what, a minute?
60 seconds,
right, 60
light
seconds.
pressure. That is not light pressure.
I didn't do it all the way.
Alright. Ooh, you need hot pants.
They still hot? All right, they're not hot enough. Let's see what we got. One. Oh, the greens came out good. Two.
That looks great.
Yeah, that one looks good. You can even see the wine glass. You can see the wine glass. Three, there. Look at that. So we redid it. It looks pretty good. I saw it for 58 bucks. We recreated it for about 5. Well, that's because we have the sublimation stuff. All right, great, good job. You guys want to see some montage?
Girl, why are you playing with me? I ain't got no time for that. Might need me a refund. I'ma need that time back.
All right. Do you like to do it yourself?
Build it yourself?
Make it yourself? So do we. So if you want to see more projects and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And remember to hit that bell to be notified of our new videos each week. Before you go, check out one of these other videos over here, over on this side. There's a subscribe button. Other videos to watch. Subscribe button.